Hello and welcome to Cloud Experts. In this video, you will learn how to create an AWS account. So let's head over to the browser and go to aws.amazon.com. On the top right, click on My Account and then click on AWS Management Console. Once on the login page, click on Create a new AWS account. This will take you to the sign up page. Once you are on the sign up page, fill in your email address, password, and your desired account name, and then click Continue. We will create a personal account, so click on Personal, and then fill the rest of your personal information. Once you fill in all the information, check the box to agree the AWS terms and conditions. Now click on Create Account and Continue. AWS requires you to submit a valid credit or debit card for payment. Fill in your payment information and click on Secure Submit button. Now enter a valid phone number, the CAPTCHA, and click on Contact Me. You will receive an automated phone call from AWS. You will also see a 4-digit code on the screen. Use that code to verify your phone number. Upon successful verification, you will see a successful verification screen. Click Continue. Select a support plan. Here I will select Free. Your AWS account is now ready. On the top right, click on Sign in to the console. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter the password and click on Sign In button. Congrats, you are now logged into your new AWS account. Next, click on your account name on the top right and click on My Security Credentials. Close this popover and click on Dashboard on the left. In the next video, we will complete the account setup and make it more secure. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new AWS account. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive a new video notification. Thanks for watching.